Welcome to today's video, guys. The time has finally come. The little part for the Dodge has finally come in, so I'm going to go ahead and start putting this interior back together. It's taking way longer than I was planning on when I originally pulled it apart. Had I known it was going to take this long, might not have done it just yet, but it is what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and flip you guys around. We're going to get this installed, and I'll explain what it does, and then we'll keep going. Alrighty, so for those not aware, this piece right here is pretty much the same thing that this does. This is a blend door, or I don't know, an actuator. I don't really know exactly what you call it, but pretty much it'll adjust where the air goes. So in my truck, this front one right in here was pretty much bad. It goes right there, and it was just coming out the front vents. So I have the old one right here. Sorry for the wreck, but it is what it is. And basically, if I push this down, like, it just wouldn't hold vacuum. This one I push down, I put my finger over the hole right here. It'll hold vacuum perfectly. So this is trash, along with the heater core. Yeah, we're done with that. And we're gonna go ahead and get this guy installed. It's really easy. It's just 2 screws, and then it pops in there. I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's installed, and then we can finally throw on our dash cover. I pulled off all the old pieces because I thought I was gonna be able to do this sooner, but I wasn't. It is what it is. So we're gonna go throw on our new dash, make sure everything's hooked up behind, put our airbag back in, and we'll be able to throw this thing up and call it good. So it's going to be quite a bit of assembly. I don't expect it to get done today, but it is going to get done in this video. So without further ado, let's get rolling. Alrighty guys, what is the next day? Went ahead and got all the screws put in the back here. As you can see, there's one there, and they just kind of, one there. They go along the back. It's a real pain in the butt without being able to pull this whole thing out. But I got just about all of them. I might have missed 1 or 2, but honestly, I'm not super worried about it. So, pretty much took a pause yesterday. It got dark, and that was because of rain clouds, not even because of anything else, so it's whatever. So now what we're gonna go ahead and do is put you back on time lapse as we're gonna throw this thing hopefully back in. I gotta put the airbag back in next. So that goes in. I think I'm good to actually start sliding the dash back into place. So that's where we're at. Alright, so this is not the official reveal, but definitely looking a lot better. Got the seats in. Dash is looking clean. I have a new radio to put in a little later, so that's going to stay out for right now. Right now I just want to test to make sure everything works. So I'm going to go turn it on real quick. There we go. On. We did okay. Now to test. Oh shit. AC's coming out of the front where it's supposed to. Hell yeah. That's great. Definitely didn't used to do that, so it's the max AC. Nothing out the top, all at the front, so that was definitely the problem. It's down a little bit. That's sick. Alrighty guys, so truck's back together-ish. I still gotta clean up all this crap, give it a good detail. It's dirty. But yeah, this is her. So, Project Slate survives. Good old Cummins staying alive. Man, we got a lot of work to do on this thing as far as cleaning it up, but hey, I'm happy she's back on the road now. Haven't had any, well, we'll see, but so far so good. I'm gonna go take her for a little test drive. I think I might give it a vacuum and just kind of clean it up. Yeah, interior's back together for sure. This was definitely a project. I got a lot to do still. Got a few clips I gotta find for this thing. This is, most of the stuff's at least in here more sturdy. A lot of it was loose. Got a little vent here. Hell yeah, AC, all is good. So, oh yeah, boys, making progress. I think next up for interior, we're gonna take care of this headliner. As you can see, it's pretty messed up, but not too shabby. Hell yeah, good stuff, all right. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. As you can see, I mean, it definitely, I don't know if you got a chance to see it before, but it looks a million times better. This seat's like weirdly high up. I think, yeah, let's see if we got adjustment for this or not. No, some of these seats are still jacked up. I gotta get new motors and everything because you can feel it trying. It's just not great. So we got a lot of work to do on this thing still. But all in all, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Slate's definitely coming along. My nice new dash all dirty. Blew a bunch of crap out of the front vents, but hey, progress is progress. So anyway guys, as I was saying, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.